everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Devonna Nicole. Thank you for joining me. Today I will be unboxing my BoxyCharm Luxe. So this is a subscription that costs $39.99 and it comes with 8 full-size products and you get this every other month. So I can't wait to see what's in here. Mine is a little late though. My box is definitely late. It apparently sat somewhere for I don't know how long, a few days before someone decided to actually put it back in rotation to send it to me through the mail. So I'm just getting mine. I feel like I'm the last person that got their box. I feel some kind of way that it came super duper late, but I got it. So let's go ahead and see what's in here. If you are new to my channel, thank you for watching. I post videos weekly and I do different subscription unboxings. And BoxyCharm is one of the boxes that I do review monthly. So if you're interested in beauty, skincare, and makeup like myself, please continue watching my channel and check out some of my other videos. But for now, let's get into this one. Now, this box is shaped a little different. It looks like a shoebox. So I've never seen a BoxyCharm box come like this. I guess everybody's box came a little funky this month, so we'll see what's in here. So this is the fall box, and when I open her up, she looks like so. And let's see, our theme, we have our lovely little card here that has a theme on it, and it also tells us what's in our box on the back, as well as what variation we have, which is down here in the corner. So the variation I have is C2109427-LX, which is Luxe. So this box, the theme is Fall Luxe. So let's get into this thing. Let's see what's in here. Okay, wow. So the first product I pull out is a Outra shampoo and conditioner duo. These are full sizes too. Let's say Outra Best Bud shampoo and conditioner duo has a value at $66. It says healthy hair begins with a healthy scalp. This daily duo repairs and hydrates stressed out strands, and with natural ingredients like jojoba, basabusa, and avocado, while the anti-inflammatory benefits of the CBD oil nourishes and soothes your scalp. Great for all hair types. It tames frizz, protects your hair color, and adds lustrous shine. Well, I've never received a duo, and I like the fact that they did send you both. Not just one, not just the shampoo, but you got both, a shampoo and conditioner to actually try out together to see if you like the products. I think that's really dope. I remember getting like a leave-in conditioner from Outra. I believe it was in one of my other BoxyCharm boxes, but I thought this is a pretty good deal. Now, I would never spend $66 on a duo of shampoo and conditioner, but I have spent a little bit of coin, but never that much. So this is a pretty expensive set of shampoo and conditioner to me. So I don't know if you guys tried this out. Let me know how this worked for you. I'll be curious to know how it works for everybody. So the next thing I'm going to pull out, man, the lash gods must love me. I got lashes from MAC. So let me pull them out in here. Look at this. Aren't these some nice ones? Wow. Oh, this is really nice. Ooh, so let's see what this is valued at. Okay, so we have MAC Cosmetics. I have 84 Goddess Lash. This has a $18 value. And it says the Delty of Desire, the Sorceress of Style. This dense to wispy feathered lash is reigning figure of fringe. Lashes are handmade with exact specifications. If I can speak tonight, I will try to get all my specifications together in this recording. And if properly cared for, these lashes can be reshaped and adorned as desired. Pretty dope. MAC lashes. I like that. We're off to a good start. Let's see what else is in here. So I pulled out this product here. What is this? This is Rare Beauty. Okay. With Gratitude Dewy Lip Balm. So what does this value have? Let's see. Rare Beauty with Gratitude Lip Balm. This is valued at $16. It's a hydrating lip balm with a kiss of a dewy, buildable color that looks and feels good to your lips, and your lips will thank you. Throw on a sheer, soft, tinted balm without a mirror and still get it right. Glides on smooth and feels comfy and cushiony, never greasy or sticky. Weightless hydration that lasts all day, so lips feel nourished and nurtured. Oh, that's dope. That's good for the fall, because I hate when you put on lip balms and it feels like you have paste on your lips and it doesn't feel hydrating at all. So this is how it comes. And oh, this looks more like a lipstick. Look at this. This doesn't look like a lip balm at all. Wow. Let's see, does it show up on me? It does. Alright, so I just did a swatch on the back of my hand, and it does look like a nice color. Very nice color. Very nice. Okay, that's not bad for, what is that, 16 bucks? Not bad at all. And we'll move right along. So our next product that we have is the new company, okay, Defense Drops Herbal Supplements. I guess this is for immunity. Let's see, what does this value at? Okay, $35. This is your first line of defense against getting sick. Use at the first time of a scratchy throat, sneeze, or to help support your immune system. I like supplements because I don't ever like being sick. So if I can avoid being sick, I'm all for it. So I've never heard of this company, but apparently you just use one dropper full. So let's see what this looks like in here. And this cost how much? $35. It does look like a potion of some sort in temperature. Very potiony looking. I wonder what it tastes like. It probably tastes horrendous. I don't know. That, because I mean, I was thinking it was going to be like a mix or something, but do you mix this in or you just take a drop of it? It just says use one dropper, so I guess you just drop that into your mouth or something. I hope it doesn't taste bad. You know, it looks a little funky in here, so I don't know. I'll try it out. We'll see. I hope it doesn't taste bad. That's the only thing I'm worried about. Please don't taste bad. Please don't taste bad, because I don't need a foul taste in my mouth just trying to, you know, keep off the germs and stuff. What's up next? So we have our next product here, what is this? What is this, darlings? This is, oh, is this what this is? Okay. The Lifestyle Company Bamboo Body Polish. Oh, this has a $49 value. This polish has a sustainable bamboo stem extract to achieve gentle physical exfoliation with self-care needs. Bamboo stem is an extract that is derived from the interior portion of the plant and provides excellent exfoliation. The jojoba oil delivers essential fatty oils and quickly absorbs into the skin, helping it feel softer and nourished. Keep it in the fridge for an anti-inflammatory effect and a boost of circulation. Oh, okay. I do like body polishes. Especially as we go into the fall and our skin gets dry and it even looks different than I thought. I thought it was going to be like something thick. It's pretty thin. I don't know how to show you this without having it spill, but see how it's actually a thin one. Yeah, like you could feel a little bit of the grit, but it's not like a whole bunch of grit. Some of them are uber thick and dense on your skin. This is like really light. I really would like, I think I'm gonna like this one a lot since it has that light feel to it. So I can't wait to try that one. And what else do we have? Let me wipe some of this off. Hold on. Let's see. And our next product in here is Saturday Skin Pretty Pop Probiotic Power Whipped Cream. So it comes in here. And how much is Saturday Night Skin? Saturday Night Skin has a $57 value, guys. So a soft and luxurious whipped cream encapsulated with probiotics, activated by the prebiotic for healthy and radiant looking skin. So I've never heard of this before. An exclusive peptide formula that promotes the look of skin's natural glow and renewal. Oh, okay. And this is how it looks in the jar. It looks like a full-size product. You basically use it as a moisturizer and just put it on your face. So this will be good. Can't wait to see how this works out in the fall as the weather starts to change. Because, you know, I don't know about the rest of y'all. That's when my skin starts getting funky, when the weather starts getting cooler. So I'm not looking forward to the cool weather. Our next product is Grace and Stella, and this is the sleep mask. So I'm actually happy to get this one too. So guys, our eye mask here, basically it says it's a sleep mask that soothes and adds comfort to your eye area. You can microwave it, which I was surprised to just learn that. And it can be cooled down and put in a refrigerator. When the mask is cool, it can help with tired, puffy eyes and wake you up when needed. And when it warms, it aids in getting a relaxing night's sleep, as well as reducing congestion to sinuses and increase blood flow to your eye area. So I could use the reduce congested sinuses, because as soon as the heat comes on, man, allergies back to going bananas. I'm telling you. So this will be nice. I'm glad I got this. I can't wait to use this. And what's next? And are we down our last one? We are down to our last product. So guys, this one here is the Contour Palette by KAB, and this is Volume 1, so KAB Cosmetics. I know I was excited to see this until I seen the colors, and I've seen what the colors are, and Boxy Charm was nice enough to send me an email letting me know that they sent me this and it did not match my complexion, and that they were going to send me a replacement product. And they did send me a replacement product of the same damn thing. Which was done in error. I know, because they've acknowledged it before it even got to me, and basically like, look, we'll give you a credit. You can just use that to buy stuff on the add-ons or whatever. So I do have this, but based on the colors, I know I can't use it. So let me just show it to you guys. So a contour palette, you know, it needs to be a little bit darker than me to be useful. But for someone lighter than me, I'm sure you guys will be uber excited. So it does come with a mirror. I'm going to fold it down. And these are our colors here. So you can see why I really can't use it. But the KAB palette was valued at $60. I really wish that it was made for someone of a darker complexion like myself, because I was excited when I first seen it, and then I seen the colors up close and I'm like, oh, I can't use this. But I think it's some nice colors for someone else. So you got your translucent, you got your vanilla bean, you got raw, you got a suntan, caramel. But again, I'm darker than this, so this won't work for me. But that is my entire box, guys. So let me know what you thought. If anybody got the KAB palette and it, you know, worked for you, I would love to know what your results were, since I can't use mine. But guys, thanks for watching my videos. If you enjoyed this, please hit the like and subscribe button and stay up to date with me on my next postings. I do post weekly. I look forward to you guys watching. I appreciate your views and your comments. Thanks for watching, and check me back out next week, and I'll see you guys later. Bye. Stay beautiful.